Hey there, here in this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you everything you need to know about Manus AI. Now, what is Manus AI? Manus AI is a general AI agent that bridges mind and action. It does not just think, it delivers results. Now here, what to the end to know everything. Now here, first to use this, download the app or visit the website using the link on the screen. The process is still the same. Now here, I will use the app to show you everything you need to know. Now here, click on the app. Now here you can see in the app, they'll ask you to log in your email. Here you can use your Google email. Here you can use your Microsoft email. Here you can use your Apple email, or you can use any email of your choice. Here you can see. But here I will use my Google email by clicking on continue with Google. Now here, tap on email address you want to use or click on it like this. Now we have logged in, and here at the end of this tutorial I will show you how to change your agent. Now here you can see get started. Under this get started you can see create slide. Here they integrated Nano Banana in their feature, you can see here. Also here you can see build website. Here by clicking on anyone here, you just select the tools. Here you can see this is the add tools, you can see. Now here on the chat section here, now here you can see plus icon. By clicking this plus icon here, you can see here you can take a picture of something and then ask question on it, or you can go where you save your picture by clicking on this picture, or you can upload your file, document, PDF, anyone here by clicking on this file. Now here also you can see on the down section here you can see build website. By clicking on anyone here, you just select the tools based on what you want to use it for. Here you can see build your website. You can select it if you want to build a website. Here you can see create slide. You can select it if you want to create slides. Here you can see wide research. Here you can select it if you want to do wide research. Here you can see chat mode. You can select it. Your agent will switch to chat mode. Here you can see create spreadsheet. By clicking on it, you just create spreadsheet based on your question and prompt. Now here also you can see create images, create video. Here you can also see generate audio. Here you can just add and type what you want to type. The AI will generate the audio for you. Now here you can see playbook. Here you can play book based on the book you select by selecting the playbook. Now here you can see, now here let's remove this one. Now here also you can see this arrow on the top side, this side arrow. By clicking this side arrow, it will bring you to this page. Here you can see what you have asked the AI previously. You can see. Now here also you can see chat icon here. By clicking this chat icon here, it's just to use the chat section in order to research what you want to research or generate what you want to generate. Now here also you can see the star icon on top side here. By clicking this icon here is where you can subscribe, you can upgrade your plan. Here you can see upgrade, you can upgrade your plan. You can also remove it by clicking this cancel icon here. Now here also you can see here this voice icon. By clicking on this voice icon is to use your voice like this. Sending icon. As you can see, it is transcribing here. Now in case it didn't transcribe it perfectly, now what you do now is to click here and then click on here, select text, and then select the one you want to use here. Now here, after selecting it, what you do now is to click on copy here and copy it. Now come back again, now paste it here. Now react it by clicking this up arrow icon here to send it. Now as you can see, it has generated. You see, one unique thing about this Manus AI is that it thinks and delivers as a hybrid human. You can see, imagine a cyborg, that's this AI agent. You can see here, and also it gives it in document. By clicking this document here, you can see it here. You can see the table. It generates the table. You can see here. You can now here you can upload it by clicking this upload icon, or you can download it by clicking this three line icon here. You can see you can download it as PDF. You can download it as docs file. Here you can see you can download it here. Also you can copy the code here. You can see you copy the code and then ask it another AI anyhow you want to use it. Now here I will download it as PDF like this. As you can see, it have download here. You can send it to your Gmail, you can send it to your Telegram, you can send it to any place you like. You can just leave it. It will still save in your file manager like this. It will still save in your file manager. Now here to go back, what you do is just click on this back arrow icon on top side here. And here on this icon is where you will know the stage it is researching or the stage it is thinking here. This icon here. You can see. Now here you can go back by clicking this cancel icon here. Also here you can change the Manus AI agent by clicking this icon here, this down facing arrow icon beside Manus 1.5 Lite here like this, and then switch to the Manus here, Manus 1.5, which is more capable agent here. Also you must upgrade your plan in order to use this agent. You can see here, upgrade. You can see you must upgrade your plan. You must upgrade it monthly or annually. You can see the difference, and you can see the benefit here when you upgrade it. You can remove it by clicking this cancel icon here. You can click the playlist on the screen or check the description section in order to see playlist tutorial on every feature in Manus AI. So try this Manus AI too and tell me how it works on the comment section. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I'll do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.